Looking to remodel your kitchen and living room? Here's a very recent kitchen remodel we just completed. It's amazing the difference it made, changing the layout a little bit, taking the peninsula out. Wow. A 1960s kitchen renovation. Our client had lived in the home for a while, and it's very functional, but there's a lot of wood and paneling, which makes the space feel dark. And the peninsula kind of cuts off the kitchen from the rest of the living area. So she's going to be changing all of that up. And the first thing we did was, after she got started, was to meet with her and provide some design choices. She had some great inspiration pictures, which allowed us to then find samples that were going to meet her needs. She narrowed down her choices and chose this quartz called Carrera Mora for the countertops. She chose a white subway tile that had a beveled edge. It's actually this one right here. It's going to really look cool on the walls for her backsplash. And she chose white shaker cabinets. Once we ordered them and they were delivered, we had to inspect them to make sure we had everything that was needed. And the guys will have to put them together once we move them to the site. Some clients opt to purchase new appliances prior to the start date of renovation. We do not do that for our clients. We ask them to go and choose what they want, order it, pay for it, and have it delivered, and then we will gladly install them once we're ready to install new appliances. So she chose new matching stainless steel appliances that are going to look awesome in her space. We were ready for demo, just like Chip Gaines. We love demo. Appliances were removed and cabinetry started being demolished. You can see here, got everything about removed. Paneling is gone. And we're ready to start some sheetrock installation. So here's sheetrock going in. You can see holes were cut for electrical. More sheetrock. Now it's time to prep it and get it mudded and taped. And then we're ready to install some cabinets. So the guys have to make sure the cabinets are level, and there's a level across the top of the cabinet. You can see here how they're working on that. Installing some upper cabinets, and here's some pantry. Our client she has about 3 pantries that were installed. This one is for brooms and mops, as well as other items that would need to be stored on the shelving. We're ready to texture and paint, so that means we have to cover up all of the cabinets, doors, windows. We want to make sure that they're protected during this process. Here's the plastic sheeting that we put up prior to beginning any demolition or work. And it's completed in the living area. And we are ready to install those appliances. Not all microwaves are vented to the exterior of the home. This one, we were able to do that. And you can see here we've got, oh wow, look at that faucet. That's gorgeous. It was a Delta faucet. She chose a black matte, because the hardware in the cabinets was also going to be black matte. Here she chose to have 2 accent walls that were painted kind of a blue-gray, really beautiful color. Here was the original fireplace, because that was going to be changed. They demoed most of the brick, and you can see here what it's looking like prior to its finished state. She had some new flooring installed during the process also. So here's the before picture, the magazine cover after photo with the flooring done, and just a beautiful space. Here is looking from the kitchen into the living area. You can again see those accent walls. before and after, an awesome project that we were so proud to be a part of.